Ever found yourself staring at a screen full of social media data, wondering how to make sense of it all? The first step to turning that raw information into actionable insights often begins with a simple decision. Which file format should you choose for export? When exporting social data, the best file type to pick largely depends on your immediate goal and how you plan to use the data. However, for most analytical purposes, you will frequently choose between CSV files and XLSX workbooks. The core reason behind this choice lies in how different file types structure and store your information. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a plain text file where each value is separated by a comma, making it a universal format for simple, tabular data. It is excellent for importing into databases or custom scripting because it contains only raw data without any formatting. On the other hand, an XLSX file, which is Microsoft Excel's workbook format, can handle complex data structures, multiple sheets, formulas, and extensive formatting. This makes it ideal for in-depth analysis directly within a spreadsheet program. To make the right choice, consider what you are doing next. If you are feeding data into another system, like a data warehouse or a business intelligence tool, CSV is almost always the go-to because of its clean, delimited data structure. If your plan involves detailed calculations, creating pivot tables, generating charts, or presenting data with specific visual layouts, then XLSX is your best friend. For sharing static reports with colleagues who do not need to manipulate the data, a PDF, or portable document format, is suitable as it preserves the visual layout perfectly. Think about who needs to access the data and what they need to do with it. A key insider detail to remember is the importance of metadata, or data about the data, when exporting. Some platforms allow you to export not just the post content and engagement numbers, but also information about the post type, targeting, or even internal ID numbers. These can be crucial for advanced analysis and often come best preserved in a richer format like XLSX or even JSON, which is JavaScript Object Notation, a structured data format primarily used for transmitting data between a server and web application, and also useful for very complex nested data structures. Ultimately, selecting the correct file type streamlines your workflow and ensures data integrity, allowing you to move quickly from raw numbers to strategic actions. By understanding the capabilities of each format, you empower yourself to extract the maximum value from your social media performance, reports, and make smarter decisions for your brand.